Here's one for the record books. An elevator shower. First floor. Enter the elevating shower, and you can be washed by the time you're up to the third floor. The shower bench. Beautiful marble. It's like marble tile, it looks like. Very accessible plumbing. Beautiful glass block trim. Polished stainless with a peen grab bar. Bell House Medical. 302-644-4404. See us at mastergrabbar.com. If you want an elevator that's also a bathroom shower, give us a call. Or if you just want an elevator, or if you just want a shower, or even if you just need a grab bar, call us. 644-4404, 302 area code. See us at mastergrabbar.com, and we're working on our Bell House Medical, the home of the Master Grab Bar website and shopping cart.